Revelation June 6, 2012. While in prayer, the word skittle is believed to be heard. The closest word to it seems to be skittle, each of the wooden pins used in the game of 9 pins, played mainly in Europe. Interpretation: like the skittles topple in the game of 9 pins, buildings will be struck in Europe. November 10, 2011. A dreadful earthquake shall strike Europe shortly. A strong earthquake measuring 5.8 degrees on the Richter scale was recorded in the sea area off Rhodes Island between northwestern Greece and Turkey. The tremor's epicenter was located about 73 kilometers southwest of Rhodes at a depth of 37 kilometers. Matthew 24:7, For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes in divers places.